So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video, and we're gonna get ready to go to the bedroom. I'm not going anywhere really, I'm just going to my room. My baby's home. But yeah, I'm featuring this hair from Sunbur Hair Company, and I made a new wig. They sent me a 18-inch, a 20-inch, two 22-inch bundles, and a 16-inch frontal, which I used to create this unit right here. It's not glued down or anything. I actually just put a strap on it. If it was glued down, I will do like a little bit of tiny bit of baby hair or whatever, but I don't really need it because the strap is holding it down really nice and flat for me anyway. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this hair, please check the links down below to Sunbur Hair. You could check them out. I absolutely love the curls from the hair. There is some minimal shedding, which is normal. You know, a lot of people freak out when hair sheds. You have to remember, this is hair that's sewn onto a weft. It will shed a little bit, okay? But if it's excessive, that is not okay. All right. I do love the curls. I did spray it with a bit of conditioner and water, and I sprayed a tiny bit of hairspray on it to kind of keep it together. You can definitely comb it out to make it bigger, but I don't think you're gonna want that because it is already very thick and very luscious. So if you guys are interested, like I said, the information to the hair is down below in the description box. If you guys want to see how I created this look and get ready with me, please keep on watching. Before we start the video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Select all notifications so you don't miss any uploads.